Alright, in this video I'm going to work out all of the problems assigned to you on homework on Friday the 1st. This was the worksheet that looked like this from section 2.4. There were 8 problems on there. I'm going to work them all out one at a time. Let's start with number 1. We have 14 over 8 times 17 over 21. Like that. So whenever I have two fractions like this, before I multiply, I try to simplify, and if there's nothing obvious to simplify, I break everything down to their base factors. 14 I can write as 2 times 7. 17 I can't write it as anything, it's a prime number. It stays like that. 8 I can write it as 2 times 4. I can break that 4 down into 2 times 2 as well, but I'm going to keep this as such because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to need that full breakdown. But you could. 21 is 3 times 7. Why did I do this? Well, once I do this, I can take a look and possibly cancel out anything that is the same in the numerator and the denominator. I have a 2 here in the numerator. Do I have a 2 in the denominator? Yep. Gone. I have a 7 in the numerator. Do I have a 7 in the denominator? Yep. Gone. I have a 17 in the numerator. Do I have a 17 in the denominator? Nope. What about the 4 and the 3 in the denominator? Nope. So that's what's left. I have in the numerator just a 17. In the denominator, I have a 4 times a 3. So it's 17 over 12. You can, of course, convert that into a proper fraction, which would be 1 and 5/12. I'm not going to. If you leave it like this, I'll be pretty happy. Number 2, we have a negative 12 over 30 times a negative 42 over 72. Alrighty then. I'm going to put it all over one fraction because I could do that with multiplication. I can connect everything. The negative I want to put outside. The 12 I can write that as 3 times 4. In this case, I'm going to break down that 4 into its base parts too. 3 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 times, that's 4. 3 times 4 is 12. The 42, I'm going to go times. I'm going to write the negative outside again. I can break down the 42. That's 2 times 21. And 21 is 3 times 7. So 2 times 3 times 7. Fully broken down. The 30 is 5 times 6, and I can break down my 6 into 2 times 3. So 5 times 2 times 3. The 72, that's 2 times 36. And 36 is 2 times 18. And 18 is 2 times 9. And 9 is 3 times 3. I know, that's big, but if you multiply all these out, there's 72, and that's as simple as you can break down 72. You can't break down 72 any simpler. So yeah, that's that. And I like the way I like to break things down. If it's an even number, I start dividing it by 2, by 2, by 2. If it becomes, an odd number, I see if I can divide it by 3 or a 5. If not, that's pretty much a prime number. Then you're done. Then I start crossing things out. Let's see. I have a 3 here and 3 here. Those 3 are gone. 3s. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3 here, 7, nope, 5, nope. I have no other 2's there that haven't been crossed out. I have no other 3's that haven't been crossed out. Okay, so what I'm left with is a negative times a negative. That's a positive. I don't have to write it anymore. So a positive 7. On the bottom I have a 5 times a 2 times a 3, which is 7. 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 30. Number 3. I have negative 5 over 18 times 8 over 15. I can't break down the 5 into anything. I can break the 2 down into, the 8 down into 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. The 18, I can break that down into 3 times 6, which is 6 times 3. Sorry, just 3 times 2. Or 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, so whichever way you want to break it down, but that's what the breakdown for 18 is. Either 6 times 3 or 9 times 2. 15, 3 times 5. Now let's start crossing things out. 5, 5, 2, 2. Yep, that's it. And don't forget, this minus is still here. It went nowhere. So I have the minus 2 times 2. And then here I have 3 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4 with the minus 4. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. All right, now down to number 4. Negative 1 over 9 times 27 over 24. Negative 1, can't do much there. 27, that's 3 times 9. And the 9 is 3 times 3, so that's 3 times 3 times 3. 9, 3 times 3. 24, that's 2 times 12. And 12 is 2 times 6. And 6 is 2 times 3. So if you fully break that down, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. So either 8 times 3, whichever way you do it, doesn't really matter. But I like to do it again. I divide 24 by 2, that's 12. Divide that by 2, that's 6. Divide that by 2, that's 3. That's why I have 3 2's and 1 3. Cancel time. I love canceling things out. Negative 1, can't do much there. But 3 3. 3 3. 3 3. Okay then. And the 2's are left on the bottom. So I have a negative 1 on the top, and, sorry, give me a second. I flashed one out, so let me finish this up. 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8. So negative 1 over 8. And let's see here. I'm going to continue the problems 5 through 8 in part 2 of this video.